Hey guys, just ignore the gunshots in the background. It's just another night in Philly. Anyway, I know that, oh, there goes another one. Anyway, I know that you guys have probably overindulged and stuffed your faces with way too much candy tonight. I know I have. Here I am today on Halloween night, Shana Patterson, for another Halloween workout video. I'm going to show you guys a couple exercises. It's going to work this belly of candy off in no time, by November 1st. So that way you can do it all over again. And then we'll have to do this on December 26th. All right, guys, here's the first exercise. So you're going to put your legs like this, okay? You see? You see the perfect curve in my legs, okay? Let me show you from the side. Can you see that? You got that? And then what we're gonna do is squat it out.